Hello and welcome to Electronic Solutions. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the latest notifications. In today's video, I am going to explain the different steps to convert sum of product expression into a standard SOP or canonical SOP form. So I have listed the different steps. First I will read all these steps and then we will consider one example and then I will explain it in detail. The first step in converting the SOP to standard SOP is, first we have to find the missing literal in each product term. Then we have to AND each product term having the missing literal with the term which is formed by or in the literal and its complement. Then we have to expand the term and reorder the literals, and finally reduce the expression by omitting the repeated product terms if any. Now we'll see all these steps in detail by considering one example. So let us consider the example f of ABC is equal to AC plus AB plus BC. Now remember that this is the sum of product equation, and this equation is not in the standard or canonical form. Now what is the standard form? The standard form means if your SOP contains or every term in the SOP contains all the literals, then either in the complemented or in uncomplemented form, then it will be called as a standard SOP. Now what is a literal? So literal is nothing but the variables given in that particular SOP. Now in this case the variables are A, B, C, but here if you see in the first product term there are only two variables, that is A and C, that is only two literals. Here only two literals A and B and C. That means all the literals are not present in the given SOP expression and therefore it is not a standard form. Now by using these steps we will try to convert this SOP into a standard SOP or canonical SOP. Now the first step is we have to find the missing literal in each product term. Now if you refer the first term, then the literal B is missing. In the second term, the literal C is missing. And in the third term, the literal A is missing. Okay. Now the next step is we have to AND each product term having the missing literal with the term formed by ORing the literal and its complement. Okay. Here the missing literal is B. So we have to OR this B with its complement, so B bar, and we have to AND this with the product term AC. Second, C is missing, so the term will be AB ANDed with C plus C bar, plus BC ANDed with A plus A bar. Now the next step is we have to expand the terms and reorder the literals. So let us expand this. So this is ACB plus ACB bar plus ABC plus ABC bar plus BCA plus BCA bar. Now we'll reorder it. So ABC plus AB bar C plus ABC plus ABC bar plus ABC plus A bar BC. Now last step is reduce the expression by omitting the repeated product term. So here if you see ABC will be as it is, AB bar C will be as it is. Now here the term ABC, that term is the repeated term. Again there is one more term ABC, so we are going to omit these two terms. So next is ABC bar plus A bar BC. So f of ABC is equal to ABC plus AB bar C plus ABC bar plus A bar BC. So this is a standard or canonical SOP form. Now see, in this expression, if you see, each product term will contain all the variables either in a complemented or uncomplemented form. So A, B, C all uncomplemented, A, B bar, C, B is complemented, A, B, C bar, C is complemented, and A bar, B, C, A is complemented. So this is called as a standard or canonical SOP. So these are the simple steps. Now we'll go for the steps to convert the product of sum expression into a standard. So these are the different steps to convert POS to standard POS. Now the first step is again find the missing literal in each sum term. Now or each sum term having missing literal with the term formed by ANDing the literal and its complement. Again expand the term using distributive law and reorder the literal in the sum terms, and finally reduce the expression by omitting the repeated sum terms if any. Now we'll consider one example and see these steps in detail. So let us consider f of a, b, c is equal to a plus b, b plus c and a plus c. Now see, this expression is the product of sum, that is a product of sum expression. Again, this is not a standard form because the first sum term contains only literals a and b, c is absent. Again, in middle term contains b and c, a is absent, and third one contains a and c, b is absent. That means all the literals are not present, therefore it is not a standard form. So first we will find the missing literals. So in the first term C is missing, in second A is missing, and in the third B is missing. Now in the next step we have to OR each sum term having missing literals, that means A plus B, first sum term ORed with what? By ANDing the literal and its complement. So missing literal is C, we have to AND it with its complement, that is C dot C bar. Second is B plus C ORed with A dot A bar, and A plus C ORed with B dot B bar. Now we'll expand this, so we'll get A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C bar, B plus C plus A, B plus C plus A bar, A plus C plus B, A plus C plus B bar. Now we'll rearrange it. So A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C bar, A plus B plus C, A bar plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, and A plus B bar plus C. Now we will reduce the expression by omitting the repeated sum terms if any. So now if you see A plus B plus C as it is, then A plus B plus C bar. Now this is repeated term, we will omit this. Now A bar plus B plus C, again A plus B plus C will omit, and lastly A plus B bar plus C. So this is my standard or canonical POS form. Now in this form, if you see, again each sum term will contain all the variables either in a complemented or uncomplemented form, that is A plus B plus C, all variable present, A plus B plus C bar, A bar plus B plus C, and A plus B bar plus C. So these are the different steps to convert SOP to standard SOP and POS to standard POS. So guys, if you like my video, then please share the video with your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.